Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sultan Yasir Devrianto and my friends Muhammad Rasul Hafiz, and today we are going to present our integrated science final project, which is smart electricity monitoring for household energy efficiency. Electricity has become an essential part of the daily life in Indonesian household, from air conditioners to refrigerators, television, and even mobile devices. Modern families rely heavily on electrical appliances for comfort, productivity, and entertainment. However, this increasing dependence is not always accompanied by awareness of how much electricity is actually being consumed. As a result, many households experience rising electricity bills without fully understanding the cost. This project focuses on exploring household electricity usage behavior and propose a simple technological solution to help users gain better control over their energy consumption. Household electricity consumption represents a significant portion of national energy demand. Unlike industrial or commercial user, households often consume electricity unconsciously, driven by habits rather than deliberately decision making. Most households only receive feedback on their electricity usage at the end of the month when the bill arrives, and by that point, it is already too late to correct inefficient behavior. This lack of real-time feedback contributes to energy waste, financial stress, and inefficient resource use. Now, we have three core problems. First, sudden spike in monthly electricity bills. The second one is anxiety and frustration due to unpredictable expenses. And the last one is inefficient energy habits that persist over time. Why this problem matters? Electricity waste does not only affect individual households financially, but also creates broader systemic impacts. High and inefficient electricity demands increase pressure on energy providers and contributes to environmental challenges. For households with limited budgets, unpredictable electricity expenses can disrupt monthly financial planning. From a sustainability perspective, inefficient consumption increases overall energy demand, making it harder to achieve long-term energy efficiency goals at a national level.
Moving to the next slide. This is the slide that call of the stakeholder that I'm going to explain which stakeholder that are going to involve in our project. The first one is the household, that is primary user. The second one is the electricity provider, which is PLN, and the third one we get the government and the regulators, and the fourth one, or the last one, we get the environment and the future generation. Moving to the next slide, there is the empathy map canvas. We get the 7 point. The first point is the who are empathizing with this. There is the household. The second one is do what the household do, that they reduce monthly electricity bill without sacrificing their daily comfort. The third one is they see what do they see. They see when they're going to the market that many electronic products that labeled with energy efficient or smart home that are often expensive and complicated. So the fourth one is the direct response. Their household response is the why is my bill still high even though I turn off all my appliances. The fifth one is what do they're going to do. They're manually unplugging every device after they using it. So the sixth one is they hear. What do they hear? The first we hear from their friends or their neighbor that try to switching to LED light because it is more economically or more cheaper. So the last one is the think and feel. The first one is their pain. Their pain is the frustration over the lack of transparency about real-time consuming data in the electricity context. So the fear of having to spend a lot of money to their device appliance. The another side is again, what do they again? They need a simple notification system that told them an usual power in the usage. So they want to affordable the DIY solution. So we're moving to the next slide. There is the proper solution. The solution is take from the plug and play smart monitoring plug that connected to a mobile application. So this device is allow user to monitor electricity consumption in real time, either per appliance or per room, without requiring complex installation or replacement of exciting electronics. So by converting electricity usage data into the clear and understandable information to the real time consumption and monthly forecast, user can immediately see how their daily habit affect to their electricity cost. So in this context, they can know or they can forecast about how much is their cost, so they can go into the more economical. So we also got the value proposition canvas. The first one is the customer job that they reduce monthly electricity bill without sacrificing their family comfort. We got the gain. They need a simple notification. So the pain is the difficult to track the waste of electricity. In another side, we got the gain creator that want to help household to achieve their monthly saving goals. So provide a clear insight, which is one. In the bottom there, we get the pain reliever that over time dashboard to eliminate uncertainty about energy usage and also the power social reduce the risk of end of monthly budget. So the last one, we got the product as service. The product as service is going to be the smartphone. I mentioned before that a low cost, the smartphone that offer monitoring the electricity. So also we got the like mobile app to which include the dashboard machine that for monitoring the consumption per day or per room, which is one. So the last one we also got the Ampere energy detection and power source to detect the system and going to be like a warning system. Thank you for attention. That's all for us, Miss. That's all for our integrated science final exam presentation. Thank you for your attention.